South Beloit, Brockton, Roscoe, Poplar Grove, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Hecatonica, Durand, Timberlane, Caledonia, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Atkinson to near Clinton, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Pale Lake, Potter Lake, Powers Lake, Richmond, Springfield, LaGrange, Abels Corners, and Tibbetts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe